Stop scrolling because this might be the most impressive lake country retreat you'll ever see. A custom barndominium on 32 plus private acres, a fully stocked pond with its own dock, a massive workshop, RV hookups, multiple fireplaces, and an indoor-outdoor living design that feels like a luxury lodge. All tucked away just minutes from Clarksville and the famous Kerr Lake, Virginia's largest lake. it's the kind of spot you'll use every single day. You've got 2 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, plus multiple flex spaces including a music room, pool room, and man cave. So the home truly lives bigger than the numbers. Outside, this place keeps leveling up. A huge workshop with space for lake toys, a cleaning station for all your fish from Kerr Lake, exterior plugs for boat charging, a detached garage, tons of parking, and a full circle driveway for easy access. Plus, miles of trails for four-wheeling, horseback riding, or quiet morning walks. Wildlife everywhere. Privacy everywhere. Freedom everywhere. If you've been waiting for a secluded lake country getaway with luxury, acreage, and adventure, this is the one.